actually, not gonna lie to you, it's 3 o'clock. My throat is killing me. I'm so like, I don't even know what's going on. I didn't get to sleep till 5 AM last night, which means I was up for 48 hours. But I'm going out this evening to some fireworks and a bonfire. So I've got 2 hoodies on, some skinnies, and I'm just hoping I don't die. I've got a coat in the car. I might just wear my ski coat and just be like, Also, got my Arsenal scarf that Jake got me, so might take that. But yeah, I don't really know. Just uploaded what I didn't upload. I scheduled my vlog to go up at 12:30 because I knew I wouldn't be up. But I did get up and do like an Instagram and Snapchat, and then went back to sleep, and then just woke up now and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to be leaving at like 4. Weird being back in England. Very weird being back in England. I need to get back on my grind. I've got to get a main channel video up tomorrow. Going out tonight. I'm not sure when I'll be back, either tonight or tomorrow. I just don't know what's going on, to be honest, but I'll let you guys know. And yeah, and it's absolutely pouring as well, just to make things that little bit more fun. So, got back from holiday and Mama got me these, right? And I'm like addicted to these. These with a glass of milk. Oh my god, they're so good. So team, I haven't really planned this vlogging in the night thing like I said yesterday, but it's dark already and it's like 4 o'clock. This is ridiculous. And I'm going to some fireworks and it's absolutely pouring. Yeah, I'm just leaving now and it's absolutely pouring, so I'm gonna get so wet. I've got a coat, 2 hoodies, I'm prepared. But I promise, like all the normal vlogs I will do mostly like inside or when it's light, not like at night. But because I'm going out for fireworks, I thought that'd be such a cool vlog. So let's hope I can actually see something and my phone doesn't get too wet and stop working.
Into a small field room, a little black dress and mama's shoes.
So I'm using these guys' headlights to vlog. But we have just got to Shoreham and I can see the bonfire. I'll show you guys it in a second. I don't really know what to vlog today because it's already dark and everything and now you can't see me. Brilliant. Alright guys, I'm using headlights again. Yeah, he's reversing. Oh no, damn, they stopped. Oh, you can see me now, it's not that dark. Okay.
By a street light.
Yeah, bonfire is over there. It's actually huge and it stopped raining, so that's so good because it was absolutely pouring. But we're here, got glow sticks, got a coat, got 2 hoodies on, got my tripod. Let's see what we can film. Look at the size of this thing. Nice and warm. It's literally like being in the Caribbean again. It's like I never even left. Safety precautions, obviously. Oh my god, I just stood on like a fish. I don't think it was a fish, but it might be.
I'm back where I belong. Yeah, I never felt so strong. Hey, I'm back, baby. Feeling like there's nothing that I can't try. And if you with me, put your hands high. Put your hands high. Ever been lost in life before? Hey.
So surprised at how bright it is here. Like you guys can actually see me. I've got a glow stick. I've already told you this. There's like some music people. There. Fire. There. Fireworks. Up there. Hopefully. Through here. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Doo -doo.
did you fly away? Little dove, cigarettes, show me that you can hold your breath. I heard about a girl, buried her dolls and lost her curls, painted on lipstick red, grew herself up and then she walked into a smoke-filled room, a little black dress and mama's shoes. Isn't it a bit too soon? Or how could you be that girl I knew? Oh, 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 how could you be that girl I knew? Oh, 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 how could you be that girl I knew?
Still got my glow stick, still going in there. Yeah, sorry this vlog's quite short, but I didn't get up to like 3 obviously because I'm so jet lagged from the Caribbean and everything. I don't know how I'm going to sleep tonight, but I've actually got to film or put together a video for tomorrow. I think I'm going to do like a main holiday video, so if you're watching this, it's probably already up on my main channel. You'll probably already hear from my main channel, so hey, hello if you're here from my main channel. Hope you enjoyed the vlogs. If you haven't already watched them all, I did vlog all week on holiday, so make sure you go check them out. Anyway guys, I'll see you tomorrow for another vlog which should be a bit more upbeat and hopefully, I don't know, this one might come out really well. Anyway, see you tomorrow guys. Bye.